Hello students, in this video I will teach you chapter number 7 from English Reader. The name of the chapter is Who Will Play With Me? I am going to read the chapter line by line so that you understand in a better way. So I want all of you to open your books and read along with me. I will now start with reading the story and explaining it to you. This is a story about a boy who does not like to study at all. One day he meets some creatures and then he changes. Why does he change himself? Let's find out. So, what is the story about? This story is about a boy who does not like studying, and one day he meets some animals and birds, and after meeting with them, the boy changes. How does he change? That we will get to know when we read the story. This is Rohit. He does not like his studies. All of his friends go to school daily, but he doesn't go there. So, this story is about a boy and his name is Rohit. He does not like studies at all, but all his friends they go to school daily and Rohit does not go. Why? Because Rohit does not like studying at all. He wanders here and there. What does wanders mean? He roams about, he keeps walking here and there. One day, he goes to the garden near his home. He finds no other children in the garden to play with. So one day he decided to go in a garden, and when he reaches there, he saw that the garden was empty. There was nobody who was playing over there. There was no child. He sits on a bench under the big banyan tree. After some time, he notices a peacock dancing near the flower beds. So, when he saw that there is nobody in the park, he quietly sat on a bench which was there under a banyan tree, a big banyan tree. And after a few minutes, after some time, he notices that there was a peacock in the garden and it was dancing near the flower beds. What are flower beds? Flower beds are areas that are fully covered with flowers and plants. Rohit walks to the peacock and says to him, "Will you play with me?" The peacock says, "I am busy. I am dancing, so I cannot play with you." So because Rohit was getting bored and he wanted somebody to play with, he wanted a company, a friend. So when he saw that there was a peacock, he approaches, he walks towards the peacock and asks him if he would play with him. And the peacock says that he cannot play because he is busy and is dancing. Then Rohit meets a dog. He asks him, "Will you play with me?" The dog says, "I am busy. I am looking after my master's house, so I cannot play with you." Then Rohit, he comes across a dog and he asks him the same question, "Will you play with me?" But the dog says that he cannot play with Rohit because he was busy. He was taking care of his master's house, so he cannot play. He happens to see a parrot, crow, sparrow, and horse. He asks them the same question, "Will you play with me?" So he further, after meeting the dog, he comes across a parrot, a crow, a sparrow, these are birds, and a horse also. And Rohit asks the same questions to these creatures also. "Will you play with me?" They reply, "We are busy. We have many things to do. We cannot play with you," they reply. So all of them, they had the same response. They say that they are busy, they cannot play. This has great impact on Rohit. He says to himself, "All of them are busy. They are doing something. It is only I who am not working. Now I will also do my work and keep myself busy. I will give up my laziness." So that day, he was greatly affected, Rohit. He said to himself, he thought that everybody is busy and it is only him who was free. So that day he decided that he is going to stay busy by doing all his work and also by not being very lazy. He returns home and decides to go to school daily. He starts studying attentively and completes his homework on time. He learns his lessons regularly. So after he returns home from the park, he decides that he is now going to go to school daily and he is going to study and do all the hard work also. And he will also complete the homework on time. And he is going to do the learning portion regularly. Whatever homework is given, he is going to do it very nicely. In the evening, Rohit, goes to the playground and finds his friends there. So after completing all the work, when Rohit goes to the playground in the park in the evening, he finds his friends over there. His friends were also playing. He plays with them for about an hour. So for an hour, he plays with his friends in the park. After returning home, he takes his dinner and then revises what he studied at school. So after he returns from the park, he has food, his dinner, and then he is revising whatever was taught in school that day. With this change in his behavior, he is now liked by everyone. So now because Rohit had changed his behavior, he was a better person now. He had started working hard and paying attention to the important things in life. Everybody liked him. His teachers praise him for his punctuality and his parents feel proud of him. His teachers were very happy because he was always punctual. He did all the things at the right time and his parents were very proud of him. They felt very good that Rohit was now a better person and he was working very hard. So here the chapter comes to an end. I hope, just like Rohit, all of you children work hard, do your work on time, and make your teachers and your parents proud. You should not be lazy, because if you are lazy, nobody is going to like you. But if you pay attention to your studies, if you are a good friend, if you don't trouble others, if you don't make fun of others, if you are happy and you help others, everybody will like you. So let's hope you bring that positive change in yourself. In case there is any doubt or anything you did not understand, please clear your doubts. That's it for the chapter and the video. Thank you so much for the patience, all of you.